Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily activate QR code scanning on the iPhone 17 Pro. So, you cannot enable it or activate it. It's activated by default. So as you guys can see, I've got my other phone ready with the QR code that we are gonna scan. So I'll quickly get my 17 Pro out of the screen, and now I'll open up the camera on it, and as you guys can see, it's pointing straight at the QR code. So now, as you guys can see, whenever I leave it, it won't point anymore. It will just keep the site hidden. And now whenever I go back, it will point at the QR code, and now I'll just have to click on it and we are at the HardReset.Info. So yes, it is activated by default, and no, you don't have to worry about activating it. It's already pre-built, or whatever you can say. So it's always on, you don't have to worry about anything, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.